Welcome back to Dr. Pronghorn's Make Along Vlog. Today we're going to be installing a dash camera in my Subaru so that maybe I can catch some people in the act of being bad on the road. What do I have in here to install? There's a front-facing camera and there's a rear-facing camera and there's a lot of cords and another one of those things to pry open the dashboard and the SIM card. You can buy the SIM card separately. So the idea, according to the manual, is to install the front camera here somewhere where it can record what happens to me without being in the way. Then run a cord up here where nobody will see it to the back and install the rear camera, and then run a cord down the side into the dashboard and attach it to a hot wire somewhere in the car. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll see how long it takes. My prediction is that the whole process will take about an hour. We're going to start the timer now. Well, I don't know how much I missed because it connected to Bluetooth in the car, but I've inserted the SD card, and now I'm going to put the GPS enabled doohickey here so that it's behind the rear view mirror from the driver's position, but still sees out the front of the car, so that you get a nice good view. There we go. So stuck on pretty good. Okay, then I got to get this cable hidden up under the edge of the dashboard. I guess this guy right here is for helping to tuck. Tuckity tuck. Oh, that works. So far we've gone 15 minutes, but a lot of that time is me reading the manual. So should that count? Work it. There. And now we're gonna go down the trim here. So we got the cable to run behind here all the way down to here, and then I'm going to run it across underneath where the glove box opens, and then over to the cigarette lighter. If I tuck it in there. Okay, that took me 24 minutes. 24 minutes to get the front camera in. Let's do the back camera. Yeah, and then this shows up in the corner. Look at this guy. And I kind of don't want to have to run the cable through the tailgate again like I did before. This piece, as I recall, just pops out. Work it over to the inside. Don't forget, you can still buy Dr. Pronghorn's Make Along Vlog merch at the merch store, like this red hoodie. You too can show your support for your favorite Artiodactyl themed Make Along Vlog. Well, I popped this whole piece out, and I was able to run the cable up to here. And then I can tuck it like I did last year with the backup camera. I can tuck it between the seat and the thing here all the way up. And then through here. Pop, 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 pop. If I put the camera here in the top center, I'll actually have just enough cable. Drop it and break it.
Don't do that.
Okay. I mean, I could clean the whole window. You know, it's irritating that it's got the cable sticking out of the top. So it has to go like this so the cable can fit. So it can't be quite at the tippity top.
Yeah.
So let's take up the slack there. We got 10 minutes left. I gotta heal this part now. Pop, pop, pop. I think I'm done, except for the cleanup. Okay, it's working.
Well, the real test would be to drive around and go backwards and stuff.
Yeah, so I'm going to do that in a minute. And then we'll see if we can't download the data from it, and then I'll use that in the YouTube. Okay, we're going to call that done at 56 minutes and 18 seconds.
Okay. Remember, I got mine professional installed.
Oh, yeah. How much did that cost?
A lot.
If we'd done it professionally, we could have probably avoided the...
It took you an hour.
It took me an hour, that's true. It took an hour. It took an hour,
and
people.
I didn't even assist you.
Yeah, I did it all by myself.
Yeah. I'm curious if you can read dash license plates and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Because mine, you can't really read license plates.
Right.
Unless they're passing you. And then there's sometimes a frame or two. It's pretty out here.
It is pretty out here. I wanted to take you out to a pretty place to drive. Well, knowing how easy it was to install that now, I don't see any reason not to do it for the Citroen. I wonder if it's actually recording right now.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
So in theory, this has an impact sensor, and if the car gets hit, it'll automatically record, or
yeah.
like, you know, set aside the footage from the last 5 minutes or whatever.
Yeah. Mine's supposed to too. Luckily, I haven't been hit yet.
Yeah, and then if you want to set aside footage, just, you know, because you saw something and you don't want to stop right now, if you push the little emergency button in the middle, the like triangle with the exclamation point, it'll do that.
That makes sense.
We'll go bloop and put that into the save folder.
Do we want to stop in the liquor store?
Oh, that's a good idea. Did you hear that, dash camera? We're going to stop at the liquor store. But don't worry, we're not going to open the liquor until we get home. I guess that makes this car kind of a custom hot rod now.
Hot rod?
Well, at least a custom. I'd have to do some modifications to the engine and drivetrain for her to be a hot rod, huh?
Yep.